Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure the device has at least 20% battery and a quick backup of your home layout. Next, open Settings and go straight to Display or Themes, then locate Home Screen or Wallpaper and Style. This is where theme controls live. If a custom launcher or theme app needs permission, grant it now so assets can apply. Once done, you'll be ready to pick a theme. Don't pause here. Move to Selection and Customization immediately. You'll choose a theme next. Tap a built-in or installed theme and use Preview to inspect icons, wallpaper, and widget placements so you can avoid surprises. Then customize each element. Change icons, adjust fonts, pick an accent color, because fine-tuning gives clarity and consistency. Also set grid size and padding to ensure icons and widgets align on your screen. This matters for usability. Make incremental changes and preview between edits. You're at the finish line. Tap Apply and confirm the changes. You may be prompted to restart the launcher. Do it so assets load correctly. Once the theme looks right, save a custom preset or take a screenshot of the layout for quick recovery later. If something goes wrong, icons missing or layout broken, clear the launcher cache first, then reinstall the theme app if problems persist. Make sure to check permissions again. That simple step often resolves asset or widget failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.